Hello friends, I want to tell you something today. The person who is unaware of others' experience boasts a lot in front of her or him. Once I acquainted with a person who advised me not to teach or take 1 hour lecture on syllabus introduction. He further advised me, we have PhD degree holders, so we should only give students its printed or soft copy of the syllabus. Now listen my opinion related to this. I follow the syllabus copy given us by the university. Here it is. You can see here, all right. I can make it readable to you. See what has been written here. It is written here a note to the teachers. Before assigning, the teachers are supposed to arrange a couple of brainstorming sessions to acquaint students with the highlights of the Victorian period. This is my paper what I teach. That's why I read the same note in front of you, all right? And what are the topics? You can also read here A, B, C, D, E. I have many PPTs for these topics and I teach by that PPTs to my students. Okay, so it is for example only. Now let me show you what I do in my very first lecture while introducing syllabus. I prepare students aware of characteristics of the Victorian period, introduction to Victorian poetry, introduction to Victorian novel, introduction to Victorian prose, and the most outstanding is the Oxford movement during Victorian period. Why? It is because without learning these, students cannot get main features in any form of literature written during this period. And this is what I meant by PhD. According to me, a professor having degree of PhD does not mean that you have to hand over a copy of the said paper's syllabus only to the students. Professors are having PhD degrees, not the students. Mind well. A professor having PhD teaches more, not less. That is what I meant by PhD. I disgust and being irritated by this kind of immature professors and their suggestions. Everybody's teaching style may vary. I never suggest other professors related to their teachings. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you, all of you. Okay, thank you for listening me.